Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color a cute cartoon character Veem. Let's start. Drawing. First, I'm going to draw two eyes. And then his nose. Now the face. Now I'm drawing two ears. Now I'm putting the turban on Beema's head. Like this, awesome! This time, two eyebrows. And then, two hands of greeting. Oh, like this. I'll take those beautiful fingers. I'll come back later. I'll show you its beautiful body. I am drawing a very beautiful toady. This time, two legs. Oh, ho. Great. Let's start coloring. First, I apply green color on the toady very beautifully. Like this awesome kids. Then I'm going to give the skin color to the entire body. Wow, nice! Wow, that's great! I will give Beem's entire face and skin color. I will put yellow color on my turban. And then I'll put pink on my shoes. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!